Next, we're going to have a go at making an axe so Mrs. K can defend herself. So let's go back to Pencil Code. I can access it, remember, via the link here. I'm going to go to Draw. And if there's code there, I'm going to reset so it goes away. I'm going to find my code blocks. I'll start with my art block, which is my pen, and I can change the color and the size. I also want to make sure I have a PD or a pen down block. Now, what we're going to create looks like a big T. Okay, so go back to the right window. First thing I'm going to do is get my turtle to move forward 100. Then I want it to turn left 90 and then forward 100. Let's try that. Forward, left, forward. Excellent. The next thing I want my turtle to do is turn right 90, and then I want it to go, so it's going to turn up this way, and I want it to turn up and only go half of what it's gone so far. So I'm going to get it to move forward, but I'm going to change the 100 to 50. After that, I'm going to get it to turn right, and then I want it to go all the way over here. So I'm going to get it to go forward, but at 300. And I want it to turn. And then I want it to go forward 50 because I want to repeat what I've done here. And then we'll turn right. And then forward 100. Left. And then the last block should be forward 100. Let's see what that does. So forward, left, forward, right, forward 50, right, forward 300, and there's my axe.